Welcome to Python tutorial. In this episode, we'll learn how to write our first Python program. So we are going to write this program in Python environment. Today I'm going to use Jupyter Notebook to write code in Python. For that you have to install Anaconda Navigator on your PC. So these are the steps to install Anaconda Navigator. Please follow that. If you want the detailed video of how to install Anaconda Navigator on your PC, please let me know on the comment box. Now let's get started. Here I am opening Anaconda Navigator. So as you can see, there are different applications, but we are going to use Jupyter Notebook here. Jupyter Notebook is basically a web application to create a notebook environment so that we can easily run Python program on web browsers. Let's launch Jupyter Notebook. So okay, we don't need this Anaconda assistant now. So these are all the location of my computer system. It is a local host, so it's a web application. That's why it is on a web browser. So let's go to the documents. Now we are going to create folder inside the document. So here is we can create from new folder, and we can rename this untitled folder to Python tutorial. So inside this Python tutorial folder we are going to create our first Python notebook. So you can select notebook and it will open on the different window. Now let's write our first Python program. As my first Python program, print bracket starting double quote welcome to Python tutorial exclamation mark bracket semicolon double quote and bracket close, and then you run the file. This is the run, so you can get the output in the screen. Welcome to Python tutorial. Congratulations, you have just written and run your first Python program. It's a simple program, but it takes you all to the exciting journey on coding. Thank you for watching.